Everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let's get started.
Good evening, sir.
Please,
Good evening, sir.
one second. Good evening. Good evening. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we'll discuss the question paper. How was your question paper?
Easy, sir.
Uh, okay.
So there was an actually in the question.
Sir, there's an error.
One question we get the option 3 March, 3 April, and 3 June.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That question was options were.
So the answer should be 5 by 4. It was written in explanation also.
Yes, the 5 by 3.
Okay. We'll check. We'll check. Yes. Everyone have a look at this. So what's the first answer? Any point on x-axis is of the form. Guys, can you hear me?
X and 0, sir.
Yes, very simple.
Option C is the
Yeah,
answer.
Option C.
very good. Any point on x-axis is the form. Look at this, on x-axis. What kind of form it should have? X coordinate must be there, y coordinate must be 0, and x not equal to 0. That is the form, right? Second one, look at this here.
Sir, option C. Second one.
Option C, sir.
Yes. X5 and Y2. Substitute individually whichever option is getting satisfied, that is going to be your answer. Am I right? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So look at this next. Third one, the equation of x-axis is the form. Very simple. The equation of x-axis. On x-axis, y value will be 0. So y is equal to 0. B option is correct. How many of you done this correctly?
So once can you explain this one, sir?
Definitely. Look at this here. The equation of x-axis is of the form. Is of the form is what? What I'm asking is equation of x-axis. So whenever you are writing x-axis equation, y coordinate will be 0. Coordinate of y will be 0. Isn't it? Y is supposed to be 0. On x-axis, y value will be 0, no ma? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
That's what. Look at this here. Everyone should turn on your cameras. 31st. Look at this here. Let me change this into black. Look at this here. See here. This is my coordinate. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Getting my point? This is my 0.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what I'm asking is on x-axis. On x-axis. This is my x-axis. This is my entire red color is x-axis. On x-axis, What is going to be y value? 0.
0, sir.
That is what he's asking. That is what he is asking us to find. So that's what the option B is correct. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in third question? Any doubt in the third question?
No, sir.
Okay. So if a linear equation has minus 2 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 2 comma minus 2, then it is of the form. Then it is of the form is what? Look at this. It is of the form. If
X
linear
plus y
equation,
equal to 0.
sorry. Yes.
X
Sir,
plus y
option
equal to
B,
0.
x plus
Look
y
at this
equal
here.
to
If
0.
a linear equation has the solutions, look at this here. 2 minus 2 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 2 minus 2 again 0. So option B is getting satisfied. If you substitute x and y coordinates in the given equations, so only B option is going to getting satisfied over there. Getting my
Good
point?
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who is this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this here. So what is going to be the answer now? Option B is going to be getting correct. So are you guys able to understand? So how does it getting satisfied? So whatever the options given here, look at this here. 2 comma minus 2 given, 0 comma 0 given, minus 2 comma 2 given. What are the equations has been given over there? So option A is y minus x, x plus y, x minus y minus x, y minus x and x plus y kada. X plus y minus 2x plus y and next minus x plus 2y is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now look at this here. Satisfy. You just substitute the given coordinates in the all equations. This is my option A, this is my option B, this is my option C, this is my option D. So whichever option is getting satisfied. Look at this here. If I substitute, this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. So x and y values, if I substitute in each and every option, so only the option B will be getting satisfied. Option A will be not getting satisfied. Option C will be not getting satisfied. Option D will not be getting satisfied. Look at this here. X plus y is equal to 0 means, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So option B only getting satisfied. If you substitute in A option, it won't be getting satisfied. All equations, all coordinates will not be getting satisfied. Getting my point? In only second option, only second equation is what here? X plus y is equal to 0, right? If you substitute here, if you substitute the coordinates, what are the coordinates we have here? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next coordinate is what? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So what is the next one? Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 minus 2, 0 is equal to 0 here. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So everywhere we are getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 form. Everywhere we are getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 form. Understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if
Yes,
you
sir.
substitute in A, B, C options, none of the options will be getting satisfied except B option, except second option. So B option is correct. So look at this here. That is what explanation has been given. Now let us solve fifth question. If you multiply or divide both sides of linear equations, if you multiply or divide both sides of a linear equation with a non-zero number, then the solution of linear equation is what? Very simple. If you multiply,
Remains the same, sir.
Remains the same, sir.
that is what in equilateral, in what you call in Euclid's geometry also we have learned. If you multiply, if you add or subtract with equals on both sides, the resultant is going to be remain equals only, isn't it? That is what answer. Look at this here. X is
Yes,
equal to y. So if x is equal to y, if I add 2 on both sides, if I add 2 on both sides, what I'm going to get here? X plus 2 is equal to y plus 2.
2x.
Right? X plus 2 is equal to y plus 2 if I add on the both sides. So again the result is going to be same only, right? Result is not going to change here. 2 will get cancelled. Again I'm going to get x is equal to y. Same answer I'm getting, right? So that's what. Here in the fifth question, that is what the concept. If you multiply or divide, so here we are adding, right? Now look at, let us take one more example. A is equal to B. So if I divide with the 2, so remain, again the result is going to be same. Or else we'll take one more example. If I take B is equal to C, if I take B is equal to C, if I multiply with the 2 on both sides, 2B into 2C, again the result, if I multiply or divide with the same number on both sides, so what I'm going to get, again I'm going to get the same result. Getting my point? Again I'm going to get the same result. So guys, whatever, if you are multiplying or dividing or subtracting or adding, you must add with the same number. Look at this here, I'm dividing with the same number, multiplying with the same number, adding with the same number. Subtraction also same, procedure. Getting my point? Yes or no, children? Understanding? Any doubts in the fifth one?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Very simple. So option B is correct. So try to understand the question here. If you multiply or divide both sides of linear equation with a non-zero number, then the solution of the linear equation is what? Then the solution of the linear equation is what we are getting. That is what he said. Remains same. Next, the value of k, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, is the solution of the equation. Substitute here, you will get simple.
8, sir.
Very simple.
8, sir.
Sir.
Very laddu question. Laddu question. Next, look at this here. 5 years ago, very, very simple. Use your common sense here. 7th question is beautiful. 5 years ago, A was twice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. Then what is going to be the percentage of A? Very simple. How many of you solved this question correctly?
Me, Piyush.
Me,
Harini, sir.
1 second. Very good. See here, 5 years ago means back, 5 years back. A was thrice as old as B. 10 years later, after 10 years, A will be what? Twice as old as B. So what is the percentage of A? So look at this here. Let me write. So percentage of A. Let us say X. Right? And percentage of B is equal.
So we can take B as X so that we'll get A as 3x minus X minus 5.
Ha. Let us say B is equal to X. So you look at this here. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, who is that? 5 years ago, A's age is going to be what?
X
3x.
3 of X minus 5.
What is the question? Look at this here. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B. Right? Thrice as old as B. Thrice as 5 years ago, A's age was thrice as old as B. This is what, right? 5 years ago. A's
Sir,
age.
then percentage of B is equal to x minus 5, no, sir?
No. See here. If you are not understanding that, if you take percentage of B is equal to X, 5 years ago, it will be 5 X minus 5, right? 5 years back.
Yes, sir.
So what are you saying? 5 years back, A's is equal to A age. What is my A? A's age.
3 times of B.
3 times of X minus 5, right? And 10 years later, means after 10 years. So X plus 10. 10 years later, A will be twice as old as B. A will be what? A will be
2 plus x.
A will be what? 10 years later, A will be twice as old as B. Ah, 10 years later, A will be what? A will be twice as
Why the
10 years later.
10 years.
Here we should take A and B both age. Let me take present age of X, present age of B. Let us take, what can we take B's age? Tell me here.
Sir, why?
Huh?
Why, sir?
Huh? If you
Variable
take,
No, we
y.
can take it as X only.
one second.
We can take it as
One second. Ha. Both will take X. Ha. If you take both X, now you tell me, very simple. We can write very simply. A 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B. 5 years ago means X minus 5. X minus 5. A was thrice as old as B. Isn't it?
yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, sir, shouldn't it be A is equal to 3 into X minus 5? Because X minus 5 is B's age, right?
Yes, look at this. If you are not understanding that way, let me teach you one more method. First, you understand the question carefully. Let A's age is equal. Let us take A X and B's age is equal Y. Present age. Present B's age and Y present A's age is equal to X. Right? So 5 years later, 5 years back means X minus 5. All right. So A will be 3 times of Y minus 5. Isn't it? A will be what? 3 times of Y 5 years later. 5 years ago. That's for the equation. Clear? Now
Sir, 3 times of X
Yes,
minus
sir.
5.
B, A's age. Age of A will be means equal. A's of age will be 3 times of B. Getting my point? Now look at this, solve this. What are you going to get? X minus 5 is equal 3y minus 15. So X is equal to 3y minus 10. If I shift 5 this side, plus 5 minus 15 plus 5, this much. Yes or no?
Yes,
Look
sir.
at it. After 10 years, what is going to be the age? A's. What is going to be the age of A? A's age is equal to, after 10 years means X plus 10. A's will be twice of B. Twice of B. After 10 years, what is A's age? X plus 10. After 10 years, what is B's age? Y plus 10. So after 10 years, A's age will be twice of B. Getting my point? So X plus 10 is equal
Yes, sir.
to 2y plus 20. So here X is what here? What is X here? 2y.
3y
X is equal to 2y minus 10. So now,
Minus 10.
now this is my equation 1. This is equation 2. Equate 1 and 2. Equate 1 and 2. So 3y minus 10 is equal to 2y minus 10. Minus 10 will get cancelled.
Sir, shouldn't it be 2y plus 10 X equal to?
Oh, sorry. I think that is what? 2y plus 10 here, sorry. So equate 1 and 2, 3y minus 10 is equal to 2y plus 10. So 3y minus 2y is equal to 10 plus 10. So y is equal to,
Sir, it should be 3y minus 15.
Yes, sir, but the
It should be 3y minus 15.
which one?
The left side, sir.
Oh, 3y minus 15, 1 second.
No, sir, it should be 3y.
No, sir, it
Sorry,
will
sorry,
be
sorry.
3y minus 10.
We wrote correct only, man. Look at this here. 3y, yes, correct only. 10 only correct.
Okay, this is the present age. Okay.
This one. I'm just equating these two equations. Correct only.
Sorry.
So now, therefore, present age of X is what here? 3y minus 10. Percentage of A. Look at this here.
50.
We got X, Y value, right? Let us substitute. So X is equal, I got this, right? X is equal 3 times of 20 minus 10. X is equal 60 minus 10. X is equal 50. So hence, this is percentage of Percentage of A. This is percentage of B. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Raman, can I go up?
X and Y both are positive solutions of
Ashni, don't sing songs in the class, please. Why you are discussing kuch 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 kuch?
Sir, 8th one, 2 and minus 1.
Please mute yourself. If you want to talk something, raise your hands or talk something when I give you time. Don't unmute yourself and just talk random things. Please. The point lying on the equation 2x minus y is equal to 5. Which point? See, you individually substitute. Option A, you substitute in a given equation. Option B also you getting you substitute in a given equation. C, D, everything you substitute over there. If you substitute, option D will be getting satisfied. Getting my point? Option D will be
Yes,
getting
sir.
satisfied.
Sir, but sir, can I
Yes.
say something? But this question,
Yes.
we
Talk
can point
loudly.
the
Talk loudly.
we can point, but how we can find the equations?
Which one?
Question number 8.
I cannot hear you.
Question number 8, sir.
Question number 8.
Yes, sir. How we can equate this? How we can know that this point is lying on that?
How can we? Ma, that is what telling. That is what I'm telling. See, you substitute the options individually. Substitute the options individually. Look at this here. What is the equation given? 2x 2x minus y is equal to 5, right? Let us substitute options 3 4 3 1 6 1 2 1 3 4 3 1. Option A is 3 comma 4. Option B is minus 3 comma 1. Option C is 6 comma 1. Option D is 2 comma minus 1, right? Substitute individually. First you substitute 3 comma 4 in the given equation. X value is what? 3 here. Y value is what? 4 here is equal to 5. So 2 3 is 6 minus 4 is equal to 5. So 2 does not equal to 5. So first option is wrong. Substitute second option. 2 into minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. So what I'm going to get here? Minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to, does not equal to minus 5. So option B is also wrong. So 2 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So 12 minus 1 does not equal to 5. So option C is wrong. Substitute third option. 2 minus 2 minus of minus 1 plus is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So option D is correct. So 5 is equal to 5 we are getting in only D option. So option
Okay, sir. Understood. Option D.
is. Chalo. Next question. X and Y both positive solutions of the equation
First call.
always lie in what?
First quadrant.
First
First
quadrant.
quadrant.
Very simple question. He just twisted the question and he's asking if 3 comma 2 is a solution of 3x minus ky is equal to 5, then k is what? Very simple. Substitute 9 minus
9 minus
2k.
K2.
Option 2 is correct. Option D, they have given minus 2, but option D, they should supposed to give minus 2, but they have given second John. So there is a printing mistake over there. Okay. So however, option 2 is correct. Clear? Any doubt,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Very
No,
simple.
sir.
Next,
Sir, this is the question.
find the value of k if x is equal to 1, y is equal to is a solution of the given equation 2x plus 3y plus, so 2x plus
Answer
3y is
8, sir.
8 answer.
Sir, it should be 3 by 5, I think. 3 by 5 or 5 by 3.
Which one?
This 12th one.
I'm talking about
Oh,
11th
sorry.
one.
Okay. 8, 8.
X.
8, sir.
8 is the answer. 11th one.
D
12th
option,
one?
sir.
Look at this. 1 second. The point. See, the printing is at 3rd June, 3rd May, 3rd July. Simple 3. Printing mistake. Sorry. So point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph. Now find the value of k.
Sir, answer we got 5 by 3.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I also got it.
Yes, sir, the answer was 5 by 3.
1
Sir,
second.
so can we get marks for that question?
Yes, of course. See,
Sir,
guys,
because I didn't get marks for that question.
definitely you will get.
You should usually add yourself.
Yes. So what is going to be the answer now? 3, 4, 12. 12 is equal to 3k plus 7. 5. So 5 by 3. So option, none of the options are getting satisfied.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, this is the incorrect question,
yeah,
sir.
incorrect one. Bonus will be given. So 5 by 3 we are getting. So next, in the equation y is equal to mx plus c, m is what?
Slope of the line.
Slope of the line.
Slope on the line.
Very simple. Slope of the line. Very simple. Look at this. That is a y is equal to mx by slope intercept form. That is what? Slope of line form. Remember, you will be learning in future classes. So the positive solution, let us check the options. Intercept not possible. Solution of the given equation is not possible. None of the above is not possible. Slope of the line is correct. The positive solutions of the equation ax plus by plus c.
First quadrant.
First
First
quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Yes. So 15th one. Look at this. A linear equation in two
Infinite
variables has.
Infinite solution.
Infinitely many solutions.
So option C is correct. Next, look at this here.
Parallel to y-axis, sir.
Y-axis.
Graph x is equal to is straight or parallel to what?
Y-axis.
Equal to a.
Y-axis.
Yes. X is equal to a is parallel to, like this. Look at this here. If I write, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. If I write some value here, x value, for suppose if I write some a, so look at this, the graph will be like this, right? So which is parallel to x-axis, y-axis, parallel to y-axis. So option B is correct. Next, x is equal to 14, y is equal to 3 is the solution of linear equation. Substitute.
Sir, x is equal to 4.
Yes. So option
B.
B is correct. Very good.
Option B.
Yes. So y is equal to 0 is a solution. Y is equal to 0 is the equation of
Y-axis.
Y.
X axis.
X-axis.
Axis, sir.
an
X-axis.
x-axis.
X
Yes.
X
An
axis.
x-axis only will be having y value will be 0. So answer is C. Next, for what value of k x is equal to and y is equal to -1 is the solution? Substitute.
D.
-1 D.
Very
Minus
simple.
-1.
So since it was the first class of your linear equation in two variables, so the question paper was pretty easy. Getting my point, children?
Sir, but some. That
Sir,
one
Sir, I
question.
have one question, sir.
Please
Sir,
one
the
second.
last question I have doubt.
Wait 1 second. Last step. I'm discussing that. So the equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are what?
Natural
Real
numbers.
numbers.
Sir, it can be real numbers also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because you only told it will be
Yes.
real numbers.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
I got incorrect answer for this.
Same, sir.
Yes, sir, even
Even
for
I
me,
got
it
incorrect.
was
Yeah.
incorrect.
So yeah. So for everyone, you will be getting. Then you.
Sir, it is a natural number and a
Sir,
real
it-
number also, no, sir.
Are Tambi, real number, natural number is a real number. So answer is supposed to be real number. So
Yes.
the option has been printed wrongly. So the answer is the option. So those ever you got.
Sir, they gave an explanation also, sir, for natural numbers.
Yes.
But-
Yes. So for everyone, the paper was for how many? 20 marks, right? The paper was.
80 marks.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
1 second, man. I'm talking, right? Please, like, I'll give you time. Please. So for 80 marks, so you got 72 paper. So 2 questions were wrong, right? So 72 was your maximum marks. How many of you got those 18 questions correctly. So we got 18 questions correctly, right? How many of you
Yeah.
wrote 18 out of 18 questions correctly?
Sir,
Apart
I
from
got
those
wrong.
two
Sir,
wrong
me.
questions,
You.
look at this here.
For
Apart
me
from
as well.
1 second.
Excuse me, sir.
Apart from those two questions, how many of you got corrected?
Sir, I have one doubt in question paper.
One question was gone wrong for me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there's one question. If in the equation y is equal to mx plus c, then m is.
That is what I told. Slope.
Slope of the line.
Yes.
What was it?
Yes. That is slope of the line. And you know, that is a quadratic equation form. You will be learning in a straight line as well. So don't worry. Getting my point. So now you got right. What is that? Everyone wrote correctly. Except Kavya, I guess. What, Kavya?
Sir, even
Sir,
you
but
No, sir,
have-
even I have gotten it wrong
Yes,
because
sir.
I think you have not explained that, so
Yes,
it
sir, I
was
have
a
also
little
got
bit
wrong.
Yeah,
not
yeah.
understood.
You will get,
I
you
got
will
it
get in
wrong.
lines and angle. No, who has taught you lines and angle? I mean straight lines, lines. No,
Sir,
no.
I learned about
I think
lines.
you'll be learning in your 10th, 11th standard. You'll be learning. Don't worry. Getting my point. Okay, cool. But you know, still, tell me out of leave that question. Out of 17 questions, how many have you got? 17 out of 17 questions correctly.
Sir, I got, sir.
I
Sir,
got.
I got.
Sir, I got.
Sir, I got.
Sir, right, sir.
Who else?
So I got 16 correct. Sir, me too, sir. 16 correct.
Yes, sir.
17 out of 16. 17
I
out of
got
16.
17 out of 17.
Very good. See here, those who are getting 17 out of 17 correctly, they'll be getting 100% result. Means rank 1. Getting my point. So those who are getting 16 out of 17, for them, you know, less than 100, somewhat, mean 99, something like that. Getting my point?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
they showed me 20 out of 20. Means all questions are correct, they told.
They told all questions correct, eh?
Yes.
Who told?
In the top only we can see some results, na sir.
Hmm.
All 20 questions are correct. They give.
Okay. So, well, see guys, you know, this is what, yeah, this is what, you know, we, yeah, like 2 questions were wrong and 1 questions was slope intercept form, but I think you will write that. So 1 question, like, you know, bit somewhat, you know, strategical, and some was like, you know, the concept out of the box. So everything might
Yeah.
have written that concept.
So it was in the toppers linear equation and variables, that resource will be there, right? Important points. It was there.
Yes, sir, it was there.
Okay.